adventure becomes tradition. Tonight we celebrate the heart-pounding, joy-filled, sky-reaching magic of a place that you bring to life at Kings Island. This time, and every time.
You step through the gates, yeah, you feel it again. A buzz in the air and the rush of your friends. Sounds of joy and colors so bright. Stars rushing past on the racer tonight.
Chasing the wind down a wild wooden track. The roar of the beast keeps pulling us back. Banshee calling time and again. Wishing these days never came to an end.
It's more than a place, it's more than a name. It's a feeling inside that will always remain. Don't have to rush, we can just take it slow. As you ride that line between hold on and let go. You bring the wonder, we bring the ride. Seeking adventure is always our guide. Memories are made here when we all play here. The facts cannot be denied. You bring the spark, we bring the cheer. Time after time and year after year. We run, we race, we laugh, we climb, and together it always gets better every time. Out on the road, yeah, we're making a plan. With family and friends and time on our hands. Follow our laughter, the sounds of the day. Finding the thrill every step of the way.
The sights and the sounds that never get old. Orion stands proud, a wonder to hold. In every way, we're flying so high as mystic timbers go thundering by.
It's more than a place, it's more than a year. It's a feeling inside that will always remain.
No need to rush, let the moment unfold. As you ride that line between hold back and be bold.
You bring the wonder, we bring the ride. Seeking adventure is always our guide. Memories are made here when we all play here. The facts cannot be denied. You bring the spark, we bring the cheer. Time after time and year after year. We run, we race, we laugh, we climb, and together it always gets better every time.
Every visit, every laugh, every shared thrill has helped make Kings Island more than just a park. Together, we've turned moments into memories and memories into traditions. Whether it's your first visit or your 100th, you are the heart of the magic we strive to create. We celebrate you and we thank you. Here's to the memories we've made together and the ones still to come.